everyone. Welcome to English Composition 101 online. I am Stephanie Witcher, your instructor this semester. So I want to introduce you to the course and show you what you need to know to get started. First of all, this should be the home page for your course. And you will have a couple of things that you need to complete this week. So it'll start on the announcements, and then you'll need to find a couple of things. First, under course information, you will find the syllabus for this class. Make sure you print that out. It also has the schedule of your assignments for each week. And then all of your work will happen in two places, either assignments or discussion boards. So those are the two areas that you'll want to focus on. When you click on assignments, you can see that I have weeks set up here. So the weeks will open on Sunday and close again on Sunday. And each week I will have a table that will show you what you need to do. I think you'll find this class is mostly lather, rinse, repeat. So the way the class works is typically on Sunday, things will open, but I'll really count it starting on Monday. Every week there'll be some kind of video. You'll need to read pages in your textbook. And then starting next week, we'll add in some vocab and grammar, but we're going to start slowly. We're not going to start on a rough draft yet this week, but usually that's what your video will cover. On Wednesdays, you will need to post to the discussion board by Wednesday. Generally, that will be something about the reading that I asked you to do in the textbook. And then we will also be working in Microsoft Teams, and I'll show you how to find that here in just a minute. Then on Thursday, typically you'll need to post something to your group in Teams by Wednesday also. Then on Thursday, you'll want to comment. Thursday and Friday, you'll want to work on commenting to your peers in Teams, which is where we'll be editing each other's papers, and then in the discussion board where we will talk about writing in general. And then usually by Sunday, the final draft of your paper will be due. We don't have one in week one. And then your vocab and grammar will be due once we get there. Okay, so in week one, the first thing that you'll want to do is look at, okay, what do I need to read? What is my discussion board for the week? And then what group work do I need to do in Teams? So you can see for week one, you'll need to read chapter 1 in Back to the Lake, and I'm giving you the pages. You will then use that to answer the discussion board questions. To find the discussion board, you'll click on discussion board and then find week 1. The other area we'll be working in is in your small groups in Teams. Now, this is a Microsoft product that's available free to you as a Crowder student. And the reason that I've chosen to do this in Teams is it works just like Google Docs does, in that you're able to post your paper and you can comment and edit each other's papers in real time to help each other out. So in my face-to-face classes, we work in small groups editing papers together. Excuse me. And I want to be able to recreate that same environment even online. So I've divided you into small groups where you will work on editing and collaborating together. So for this week in Teams, I want you to create a Word document where you will introduce yourself to your small group by Wednesday. And then I want you to post comments to the other people in your group by Friday. So you'll need to read, do the discussion board, and jump into your group work. To access Teams, you can click here, and it will provide the link. And you will have to say, yes, I want to open Microsoft Teams. Once you get in there, it may ask you to log in. I'm already logged in, as you can see. Your login is just your Crowder email and your Crowder email password. So it'll be first and last name, 001 at Crowder Students, or something like that, and then your Crowder email password. Then you can see, and I have you divided in groups by your name. Then you'll click on group 1. If you're in group 1, go to the files section, and there you can see this is where I'll post, or where you will post your papers or things to collaborate on for each week. To upload something new, you can either upload or choose new to start a new file. If I click